How to get YouTube Premium 3 months trial. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can get the YouTube Premium 3 months trial. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to get the 3 months trials, there are certain methods you need to follow. First of all, open your YouTube app and log in into your account. After logging in into your account, you just need to navigate to your profile. And here, simply tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you can see this purchases and memberships option in the middle. Simply tap on it and you'll be redirected to another piece. So here you can see this learn more option. Simply tap on learn more. And here you get a bunch of different offers. So if you see the 3 months offer here, you may just simply tap try 3 months for US $0. And that is the method on how you can redeem the offer from YouTube and get your YouTube Premium on 3 months trial. So therefore, by following this method, you can get YouTube Premium for 3 months. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.